Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. I'm going to show you how to enable Don't Disturb mode in your Xiaomi Poco X6 Pro. So to this operation, go to settings, then scroll down and go to the sound and vibration. So click on it, scroll down, and there is a Don't Disturb mode. There will be no reminders for incoming calls and a notification. So click on it and enable it by clicking on it. When the device is locked, you can enable this option. Notify about the calls, from contacts, from anyone, so you can choose from no one. Notify about the repeated calls, so if someone calls you back, you will get the notification anyway. And should turn on time by your don't disturb mode to add the rules about the day and time. So that's it for now. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave a like, leave a comment, and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.